Hello, my name is Ashley Singh. For my field trip, I decided to go to the Southwest Florida Conservancy in Naples. Luckily, the Conservancy is walking distance from where I live. I chose the Conservancy because of how close and convenient it was to me, and always being so curious of what interesting history they have. When speaking to a volunteer at the front desk, she informed me how the Conservancy has made a huge impact on bettering our environment since 1964. She also informed me that the Conservancy's mission was to protect Southwest Florida's unique natural environment and quality of life. The Conservancy was founded in 1964 by a small group of citizens fighting to protect our environment. One of the most significant concepts that I learned during my field trip was how important it is to keep our waters clean. When walking through the Dalton Discovery Center, which features over 100 animals and exhibits, I learned about the great ecosystems of Southwest Florida, including the amazing uplands, the Everglades, and the beautiful mangroves, as well as our beaches. It was awesome to get to see the Conservancy's juvenile loggerhead sea turtle named Betsy, swimming around the 5,000-gallon patch reef tank. Learning what we can do to keep our oceans clean became even more important to me when walking through the Conservancy. How tragic is it to learn that the Everglades National Park is growing out due to the canals? I am so grateful of where I live. So many different animals call this place home. Many may not realize this, but Florida is home to both crocodiles as well as alligators. The primary producer that caught my eye was the red mangrove. Red mangroves grow at sea level right along the shore. They are native to Florida, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands. A fun fact about red mangroves is that they are sometimes called walking trees because of their continuously propped roots that make them look like they are walking on water. They have always been interesting to me because I see them everywhere when boating. Their roots provide nursery habitat to fish and crustaceans as well as birds and reptiles. The animal that I found most interesting to me was not spotted until my last few minutes at the Conservancy. The diamondback terrapin was so cute and little, but also had such interesting designs on its shell. The name comes from the diamond shapes all across its shell or carapace. It can be found in coastal salt marshes, estuaries, and tidal creeks along the U.S. Atlantic and Gulf coasts. They feed on fish, snails, worms, clams, and more. I had an awesome time at the Southwest Florida Conservancy. Being walking distance from here, I had no clue all the great and interesting things that were so close to me. It was such a unique and informative place. Until next time, Southwest Florida Conservancy.